The Daily English Boost. Host, Alex.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily English Boost. I am your host, Alex. If you are learning English, you are in the right place. Okay, so today we are boosting your English fast. We're covering communication, we're covering creativity, and how to lead with confidence, and let's go.
Today, we want to make English easy and fun. We are not going to talk about difficult rules. We are going to talk about how to speak naturally. Let's start. Listening is key. First, let's talk about listening. Many people think they must read books to learn, but look at a small child. They learn by listening, not by reading. Here is the best tip. Find something you love. Do you like cooking? Watch cooking videos. Do you like technology? Watch tech reviews. If you like the topic, your brain listens better. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Just try to understand the story. This is how your brain learns the rhythm of English. Talk to yourself. Next, you need to speak. But what if you have no one to talk to? My advice? Talk to yourself. When you are at home, describe what you are doing. Say, I am making tea. I am finding a cup. I am putting sugar in the cup. It sounds simple, but it is very powerful. It helps your brain connect your actions to English words. It stops you from translating in your head. Do not fear mistakes. Here is a very important secret. It is okay to make mistakes. Everyone does it. When you speak, the most important thing is communication. If I understand you and you understand me, you are doing a great job. Do not wait to be perfect. If you wait for perfection, you will never speak. Just start today. If you say a word wrong, it does not matter. Just keep going. The final tip. Before we finish, here is your task for today. The 15-minute rule. Find 15 minutes, just 15. In that time, listen to a song, watch a short video, or talk to yourself in English. Do this every single day. Little by little, you will get better. Thank you for listening to the Daily English Boost. You are doing great. Keep practicing, and I will talk to you tomorrow.
So the key to unlocking your creativity is actually just talking. Talk about anything, everything, let the ideas flow, and don't stop moving forward.